God, I have the most cliche answer to it, and you guys probably know what it is.
Oh,
But,
please, nahi.
but I think love is friendship, dude. That's what it is.
But there was a set of people who were trolling you.
All the trolling that happens usually, and it's fine because everybody gets trolled, dude. It's perfectly okay. I mean, you can date somebody, you stay apart, and there are different things. But when you get married, it's a very different ball game. See, I've always said Billie Eilish. I think she's a fantastic artist. I absolutely love her. Everybody's always heartbroken, but don't worry about it, man. I got you. You can listen to my music.
Recently, Arijit Singh announced his retirement. Like now he's gonna switch to independent music.
And I feel that he's a legend, bro. He's like, if somebody talks about Bollywood, his name is always going to crop up. So he's like the biggest thing in Bollywood at the moment. People don't get to see all the hard work and the effort that goes into doing what I do. It's not easy being in the position that I'm in. It was a very difficult time when I lost my dad because obviously, it's somebody so important. It's your father, man. Like, it's very important.
Yeah.
That person is very important in your life.